Hey everyone, we're going to make these mini beds using craft paper. First take this plain craft paper, make multiple folds. Again fold it into half. Now we are going to fold it from its top and bottom. Press it and tug it inside. Gently open it and look, your box is ready. Now we are going to fold this printed paper. We are going to make the sheets and put it on the top of the bed like this. Now we are going to make the pillows using craft paper. So cut a small piece of paper and start folding it and press it from its all four corners, and look, your pillow is ready. Look at these beautiful crowns. Let's make it. We're going to fold this printed craft paper, fold it and make a shape like this. Now pull the paper downwards. Here we are going to make 3 triangular shapes. Now tuck the paper inside like this. Similar way we are going to fold it from other side. Now we are going to gently press it and look, your crown is ready. You can paste stars at the end. In this video, we're going to make these jewelry boxes using craft paper. So let's get started. We are folding this printed craft paper from its sides. Now we are going to make the box here. So fold it like we're doing here and tuck the paper inside from both its sides like this. Now we are going to make 2 triangles. So fold it, open it, and look, your box is ready. Now we are going to make the lid for the box. So take another piece of paper, fold it from its sides. Now we have to tuck it inside from its corner and your box is ready. We are going to make paper boat today. For that we are going to take this printed paper, or you can take newspaper in place of this. Now we are going to fold it and make 2 triangular shape by pressing it. After this we are going to flip it. Here we are going to fold it from its top and bottom section like this, and we are going to tuck the paper like this from the corners and do the same from other side as well. Press it and your boat is ready. Look at this beautiful flower hanging. Let's make it. We are going to fold this strip of paper, fold it from its top and bottom in a triangular shape, flip it and again fold it from its bottom side. Now we are going to make a very narrow strip like this, fold it and tuck the paper inside from its corners. Now we are going to make 6 such shapes and tuck all of them one after another in a circular form. Paste it using glue. Now we are going to push the paper from its bottom part. Now paste a pearl at the center, make multiple cut on this craft paper, make a frill, combine all of them and it's ready. We are going to make these beautiful boxes using craft paper. You can put your jewelries and many things inside it. So let's make it. We're folding this printed craft paper. You can take whatever color you like. Now fold it like this. Here we are going to make the box. So we are making crease here like this. Now gently press it from its corners and do this from all its 4 sides and your box is ready. Now keep it aside. After this we're going to make the lid for the box. So take another printed craft paper and fold it from its diagonals, open it and again fold it from its sides. Now gently press it as well from all its sides. Your lid is ready. Now put it on the top of the box and look, it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video.